Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Whuasinta LED color-changing pool light bulb for Inground Pool 120V 35W. Whuasinta LED bulbs are usually the best choice in this category because they have a longer life and require less energy. The initial investment of an incandescent lamp is usually cheaper, but its operating cost may be 80% higher than the operating cost of an LED. Whuasinta light bulb gives access to selected 6 colors and 2 programs. Now pool owners can have energy-saving pool lights and can make their pool colorful and cool and more enjoyable. Features: energy efficient, remote control, compatible with Popular Fixtures, memory function, 120V 35W. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.